Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So from the title you can easily understand that today we are going to discuss about mental math. And today we are going to discuss the topic that is mathematical operation, which is in your mid-term examination syllabus. So let's start. Today our topic is mathematical operation. Now, do you know how many operations are there in mathematics? Yes, there are 4 basic operations. Already we have learned about the basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are the 4 basic operations. Now let us learn some symbol and their meaning in mathematics. Already you have learned all the symbols, but again I am repeating it. Like addition, you know, subtraction, division, multiplication, all symbols you know that. And in the right side I have written equal to, not equal to, greater than and less than. See, the not equal to sign is not in proper place, so please keep. Now let us learn the order of operation. Order of operation means if in a problem all 4 operations are there, which operation you will take first? First you will take division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Let us discuss our first question. If capital A represents plus, B represents minus, then C and C represents multiplication, then find the value of the expression, that is 4A, 10B, 7C, 2. So let's start our solution. 4A, 10B, 7C, 2. This is our question. So now first you write the question properly. Then in place of ABC we can put plus, minus and multiplication, and after that you have to maintain the order. First what you will do? First you will do the work of multiplication. So 7 into 2 is there, so 7 2s are 14. After that you have to do the addition. So 4 plus 10 equals to 14. So after that you have to do the subtraction. So 14 minus 14 equals to. Let us discuss our second question. If A means multiplication, B means, capital B means division, then find what will be the value of 3A, 10B, 5. So first of all you need to write the question, that is 3A, 10B, 5. Okay, after that you have to write the proper operations in place of A and B. See, A means here multiplication and B means division. So you can write 3 into 10 divided by 5. Now we need to apply the order of operations. So first of all we need to do the work of division. See, I have done it, and after that I have done the multiplication and I have got the result 6. We will solve this same type of, means in question number 1 and 2 what is given, that same type of sum, that in question number 3 also, that is if A means subtraction, B means multiplication, C means division, find the value of 50C, 5A, 1B, 6. So what will be the value of the expression, that is 50C, 5A, 1B, 6. The solution is, just have a look on the solution, that is given 50C, 5A, 1B, 6. In place of ABC, first you write the proper operations. The alphabets are denoting the operations, like C denotes the operation division. So in place of C you can write division. In place of A you can write subtraction. In place of B you can write. After that you have to choose which operation you will do first. So you know that from the order of operations, first we need to do division, then multiplication, then either addition or subtraction. So here it is only subtraction, so we have to do subtraction. Now just follow the order and just answer. We have got the answer 4. Let us start our fourth question. It is little bit different from the first 3. In first 3 question we have observed that some alphabets are given and we have to put in the place of alphabet the operation, proper operations, which is given in the question. But here the operation is given, but the operation meaning has changed. Like multiplication becomes subtraction, means when we see the cross sign, that time we have to do subtraction, and in division we have to do addition. So let's find out what is the solution. So 10 into 8 divided by 2. First you change the operation given which is given in the question, like multiplication become subtraction, division become addition. So first your work will be, you have to write the operation according to the question. So 10 minus 8 plus 2. First of all, now you have to choose the order of the operation. The order of the operation is as here the plus and minus present. So first of all you have to do addition, then subtraction. So now we have got the result, that is 0. Here in 5th number question it is also same like 4 number question. If plus means minus and minus means plus, means if addition becomes subtraction and subtraction become addition, then find the value of 7 minus 6 plus 4. So let's start the solution. 7 minus 6 plus 4. But don't start the operation now. First you need to change the operation according to the question. See, first 7 minus 6. So in place of minus we have to put plus. In place of plus we have to put minus. So 7 plus 6 minus 4. That is 7 plus 6 equals to 13. 13 minus 4 equals to 9. This is our answer. So in this type of question, first of all you need to change the operation according to the question, then you have to solve it. Let's start our 6th question. That is, if division means multiplication and multiplication means division. See, it is also same like question number 5. So operations are changed, means operation meaning are changed. So 4 divided by 4 into 2 is given. Now you have to solve it. First what you have to do? First of all you have to write the operation according to the question. So means division means multiplication and multiplication means division. Now you have to tell me that which operation we will do first. Okay, so from the order of operation you know that we have to solve first division then multiplication, division then multiplication. So here 4 into 4 divided by 2 is given. Now which operation we will choose first? First of all we have to choose division. So 4 divided by 2 equals to what? 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. So now 4, after that we have to do the multiplication. So 4 into 2 equals to 8. So this is our answer. So in this type of question you have to first change the operations according to the question, then you have to maintain the order of operation, then you will get the answer. In 7th question it is little bit different from the first 2 type of sum. Here 1 star will be there in the expression. First of all you need to write the proper operation in place of the star. So here also options are given, and each and every question you will get the options, means this type of question will comes in form of MCQ in midterm examination. So see here the solution. Let us start the solution. First of all, in this type of sum, better if you use your back calculation method. Means you can, first of all you can choose the options answer, and then you have to place it and then you have to calculate it. That will be the better process. See, 4 star 5 star 7 equals to 2 given. So how to get 2? If we write first plus then minus, then we will get 2. It is also same like 7th number question. Here also you have to place the proper operation in place of the star. See the solution. So what I have told before, that you have to use back calculation method, means from the options you can choose the right answer. See, if you apply the first option A, plus minus plus is given, means in first star if we put plus, in the second star if we put minus, and in the third plus if we third star if we put plus, then we will not get the result 0. So here you have to apply and you have to use the method that is order of operation, and then you will get the result. See, I have placed here first star multiplication, second star minus, and third star multiplication also. So first we can solve multiplication. So we have to do the operation multiplication. So 5 into 5 equals to 25 and minus 25. So now you have to subtract. If you subtract it, you will get 0. So in this way you can easily solve the question. See, in 9 number question, that is given that write the suitable operation in place of the circle. So here you have to write the operation in place of the circle. So see, and in this way you have to put the operation so that the both side value should be equal, means in both side of the equal sign the value should be equal, like 3 into 6 equals to 18 and 9 into 2 equals to 18. So we can put here multiplication. So in this way you have to solve this kind of question, and hope all of you have understand all the 3 types of sum what I have shown you, 3 or 4 types of sum in mathematical operation. So those who have any query, you can ask me in the YouTube link comment section. So use the comment section to ask any queries or anything about it. I will give your answer. So practice in this way of to understand mathematical operations, and you can easily, if you apply the formula or the steps what I have told you, that will help you to understand the mathematical operations, and that will help you to solve the question easily. Our practice time. So observe the question and answer it, and write the answer in my comment section, and practice in this way. And thank you. Till then, bye bye.